Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impression of Girl Boss by Private Society. This was in a mystery box that I unboxed recently, and if you're wondering about my mystery boxes and my subscription boxes, they are coming back, so just bear with me. They will start coming back up. See, what is this, April? They will start coming back in May. So here's the palette. If you are new to my channel, this is where I try to put all these colors on my eyes just to see how I feel about it. It doesn't really tell me about the wear or anything, but that's the whole idea, to see the blendability, kickback, and that sort of thing. So that's what we're doing here today. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these and be right back. Alright, so here are the colors swatched. Up here we have Iconic, Brunch, CEO, Status Symbol, Infamous, and First Class. And you can't really see First Class because it's the shade of my skin. Up here we have Friday, VIP, Jet Setter. Oh wait, no, I told you wrong. Friday, VIP, Moneymaker, Jet Setter, Hondo, and Socialite. So those are the colors, and let's go ahead and dip into the palette. So the very first color I am going to go in is with First Class. Okay, so now, okay, I'm trying to think about this because you know I like to try to get all of them on, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go with CEO and Brunch. So now I'm going to go in with Jet Setter, this one right here. Okay, I'm going to go in with Moneymaker right here. And then I'm probably going to go in with VIP, those two right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Socialite, this one right here. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some sparkles here. We're going to do Infamous and Status Symbol. Alright, so now I want to get into under the eye, and we're going to use Iconic right here, and then Hondo, this one right here. So there's only one color that hasn't been used, and that is the Friday, and I'm going to try to squeeze that in now. So I have squeezed all the colors from the palette onto my eyes. So now it's time for eyeliner, and we are going to use Elma Pure in Coffee for the bottom. and this is Josephine. I've wore off the label, but that's going to be the top liner. Eyeliner is done. Now it's time for mascara. We are using Wonder Beauty Mile High. Alright, the lashes are done. For lips, we are going to use the lip that came in the mystery box. I don't remember the color, and unfortunately they do not put it on these, but this is the liquid lip and this is a gloss, and we are going to use this. There we go. There's the finished look. And let's go ahead and talk about the palette. Alright, so if you don't already know, their palettes are primer infused. So if you do use primer, great. If you don't, that's fine too. I always use primer because of the fact that my eyes are hooded, and as you can see when I open them, everything gets pushed back and it creases up really bad. So the extra primer for me is a wonderful thing, and I love it. Alright, so looking at this, there was a little bit of kickback, not a lot. There's not really any fallout with this. Blended beautifully, looks beautiful, and I already know that these are gonna wear well just because I have like 3 other eyeshadow palettes. So there's that. Anyways, that is it of my first impressions for this palette. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts on this palette. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.